Nike's Air Max Craze is gaining steam with the upcoming University Red colorway, which blends hyper pink, black, and white for a bold, sporty romantic mix. Initially overshadowed by the Air Max Sunder, the Craze is now carving out space with more expressive palettes. Design cues like the gridded upper and flame-like toe graphics echo its early 2000s roots, though they differ from past iterations that leaned into stripes or text-based designs. While the OG bright citrus colorway tapped into nostalgia, this new drop balances 90s retro energy with modern flair. Priced at $170, this version will launch in women's sizing via SNKRS in the coming weeks. As the silhouette shifts from under the radar to must-have, it delivers a unique mix of heritage and innovation, cementing the Air Max Craze as a fresh standout in Nike's expanding lineup. Keep watch as more vibrant looks are likely on the horizon.